Good morning, fifth graders. As you see, I am out today. However, you still have an assignment to complete, guys. This morning, you will use Canvas checklist to work independently. You will start with warm-up Q24. I will give you a quick overview of this warm-up after we talk about what is due today. After you complete Q24, you have a Kahoot. You need scratch paper and pencil in order to complete the Kahoot. Today, I'm not looking to see who's the fastest. I'm looking for the student who can get the most correct. You have 4 minutes per question. So you will do the independent Kahoot at your desk using your scratch paper and pencil. The second thing that you are responsible for today is extra math. You must complete extra math. When I check, there should be green, yellow, red, hopefully not red, but it should be beside your name. You know that you have completed extra math once you see the green button that says sign out. So make sure that you complete your extra math today. The third assignment you have for today is the iReady pathway. You must complete an iReady pathway lesson. I'm not looking at your minutes today. When I go to your completed lessons, I should see today's date, November 11, 2021, next to the lesson you have completed today. For those early finishers, you will work in your iReady workbook, page 271 through 280. I don't think many of you will get to that assignment today. I want you to focus in on completing your warm-up, completing Kahoot, completing extra math, and that iReady pathway lesson. I will take those lessons for a grade today. So make sure that you have completed everything on your checklist. Remember, what you don't get done in class, it is homework.